Hey everybody, Casey with ASD Knives, asdknives.com or asdefense.com. So today we're going to look at Bestech knives. This is the Scimitar. And this is olive drab. It is a Linerlock. This one's got the, see if we can get it to focus here. This one's got the dual tone blade. So you've got some black coming up here and into the fuller. Very unique blade style. Interesting little swoop right here. This is D2 tool steel with G10 handle scales. Great materials. Again, Linerlock. Very secure. Fast open. They've got a ceramic ball bearing in there. We're going to do a video where I actually take one of these apart. Got your pocket clip. The hardware is Satin. The B logo right there. Again, very fast. This has not been broken in or anything. This is right from the factory. So we've got two colors. We've got black and then we've got this OD green G10. And again, Bestech Scimitar. You can get yours today at asdknives.com or asdefense.com. Thanks for watching.